Welcome to one of the first unboxings of my channel, and one that I am super pumped and proud to be doing because the guys at this company are absolutely stellar. They deserve all the praise and recognition they can get for delivering such a high freaking product, high quality on their first release. I'm absolutely stoked. That is Crown Pairings. So let's jump into this. Okay, so Crown Pairings is absolutely killing it. I don't know how they decided on such a great looking box as their first release. Like, I don't know if they just made boxes and sent them to their friends saying, give us all your feedback or what, but as you can tell, the box itself looks freaking awesome. It's satin black, and then their logo, and then on the back, their website is in gloss black, which looks absolutely boss. And then when you open the box up, welcome to the Brotherhood, which, that's freaking awesome. I love that. So, we'll get into the box in a second, but basically when you first open the box, you are greeted by who packed your box. So in this case, thank you, Jordan. You did an amazing job. That wasn't even sarcasm. I know it sounded like it. You legitimately killed it. So, you also get this cool flavor pairing wheel. So you know what you're pairing it with, or what you're tasting. Not pairing it with, moron. Oh. Then you get the Cut Light pair, which is basically just a quick start, and obviously some of the whiskey leaked out during shipping, which I really don't care. It makes it look even cooler. And on the back, you have their motto. Their motto is one of the coolest ones I've heard ever from a company. Like, it's long, but it's like, yeah, that's freaking boss. And then, if my camera wanted to focus on me. Apparently not. Anyway, then this has been changed. We were chatting back and forth a bit, and this is instead of being 3 cards, this is going to be one document. I'm hoping they make it the size of the Cut Light pair, because that would be perfect. So, the 3 pairings they give you. Alright, so pairing number 1, the Kentucky Fire Cured 5x56, which I have not tried, but oh my goodness, when you open the bag with the cigars in it, that is what you smell. It's this awesome kind of charred. It's like you just barbecued something and it's the char of the charcoal just like calming down. That's what it smells like, but it's not sweet, it's not overpowering, it's amazing. So that's a Nicaraguan binder filler with a San Andreas wrapper. Then they pair that with the Smoked Maple by Knob Creek, which is a 90 proof bourbon, and it is freaking awesome. I love that bourbon. Okay, and pairing number 2, the Aging Room Quattro F55 Maduro, which is a 5x50 Robusto. It's a Mexican San Andreas wrapper again, but this time you got binder and filler from the Dominican Republic. And they're pairing that one with the Bernheim Original, which I've never tried. I've never even honestly heard of it, but I'm super pumped to try it out. And that's 90 proof from Kentucky. And pairing number 3, you got the Cane Daytona by a 5x50 Robusto. It's a Habano wrapper, which I utterly adore Habanos. Medium strength binder and filler from Nicaragua. And this time they paired it with one of the ones I've been wanting to try for freaking ages. The Campfire Whiskey by High West Distillery. And 92 proof from Utah. It's going to be so giddy. I'm so giddy just thinking about it, I can't even think about it and say it. Anyway, that's going to be freaking boss. Crown Pairings, y'all are killing it, and you haven't even fully released yet. I got a pre-release box, and holy crap am I impressed. They're fantastic people, and they made a freaking awesome product, so go give them some love. Follow their Instagram account, and obviously go subscribe to the subscription because they are doing a freaking boss job. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. What you're seeing, like, share, and subscribe. Much appreciated.